Hello, friends. This is Alan Kiesler with Carol Kiesler, completely uncut. Dun da dun da dun da dun da ye 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 dun da dun da dun da ye dun da ye dun da ye dun da dun da ye dun da dun da ye. Did you make this live? Because it looked like somebody came on.
No, that was a phone call.
Oh, it was?
That was a good length.
Okay.
Let's see.